families. I know what is happening in our community might be very sad and difficult. I wanted to say that we are here for you, we love you, and support you always. Also, I think it is important that when we are upset and sad, we also find the joy and happiness around us. And we have so much of that to share here at H4. I hope we can brighten your day today with our science edition of H4 in the morning.
Hi H4, thank you Ms. Vanine for that really important message. We appreciate everyone coming together at a time like this, so thank you for addressing that. As you all know, this week has been Science Week, and we're really excited to have two of our science teachers here joining us to represent and talk more about Science Week. We are gonna start off by shouting out Scholars of the Week, Super Scientist version. So take a look to see who is a super scientist in your class. Great job, scientists! We are going to turn it over to science trivia. Last week we did regular trivia, or trivia of firsts, and we did not have any winners. But this week we do have some science trivia, and maybe you can use your knowledge from your great science teachers to help you. So over to you.
Which property describes how an object feels? Is it shape, size, texture, or transparency? Second question. How long does it take the Earth to revolve around the sun? Is it 1 year, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month? And over to you, Ms. Hart, for our last two questions.
Great. Which state of matter keeps its own shape? Is it liquid, solid, or gas? Which of the following organisms is a producer? Is it mice, crickets, sunflowers, or rabbits?
Some pretty tricky science questions there. I know some of those fourth graders should know about producers, though. Let's hear some more about Science Week this week, Ms. Hart.
Great. Well, hey, super scientists, I just want to shout out everyone who joined the field trips this morning. It was so fun to see all of your wonderful early faces. I know we got up really early to go on some super cool trips to see slime in space, to check out what lives in the ocean. And in case you missed that, we are going to be posting the links in each of these homerooms so that you guys can see all these cool trips that we went on and make sure that you can participate even if you didn't get up this morning to see where we went.
All right, and I have a very special message for our 4th grade scholars. I love and miss all of you, but this message for those 4th graders. So, 4th grade, next week, you are going to take your very last science test as Harlem 4 scholars. Between now and then, you need to make sure that you are showing your absolute best effort in science. You can also spend some time talking to your families about ways to help the environment that we've been discussing in class. There's so many books on EPIC about the environment and natural resources that you can go ahead and read if you want some extra help or information. Make sure that you're showing everyone at H4 and in the entire Success Academy network how awesome you are and ending your year strong.
Thanks, Miss Gold. Miss Jonas, do you want to share some really awesome science books for us?
Absolutely. This week, we have, obviously, some science books. One of them is called What Millie Did. And in this powerful book, you'll learn the story of a woman who saw a problem in her community, the overfilling of the town's landfill, and how she used science to solve this problem, and in doing so, made a big change. Our second recommendation is called Taking Action to Help the Environment. Again, thinking about our Earth and thinking about how we can protect it. This book will help you to understand what you can do to make the world a cleaner place to live. So check those out, our future scientists of Harlem 4. All right, everyone, thank you for everything this week. We love you so much. We care about you, and we want you to know that. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep being your beautiful selves. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.